Hello again, everyone. This is Mike at Great Lakes Typewriter. I have a rare beauty for you. This is a 1960 Consul silent, beautiful typewriter. It is spotless. There are a couple of tiny nicks. There's one right here and over here where the arm had hit the case. But other than that, it is so clean and so nice to look at. This machine was made in Czechoslovakia. It is beautiful to look at, beautiful to type on. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. This machine has the Elite typeface. Very easy to read, as you'll see in a second. That is so nice. It's super snappy to type on it. I don't have to hammer down on the keys or anything. It is, I can't imagine getting tired typing on this for a long period of time. This is really nice. Let's go through the keys and show you that everything's working here. This is called the Silent. That's the model name of it. I'm not really sure why. I mean, while there is some material in here inside the case, I wouldn't really consider it to be sound dampening material or anything. Not that it's a particularly loud typewriter. I wouldn't really consider it to be much of a silent typewriter either. So don't let the model name fool you. Of course, I'm sure you can hear this on the microphone just fine. So it's been completely cleaned and serviced, although honestly I really didn't have to do a whole lot to it. The people I got it from said no one ever used it. It basically just sat in the case, which was fairly obvious when I got it home and opened it up. And it is really, really clean in here. We did clean up the segment, made sure that the type arms were moving really well, and they are. It has a new black ribbon on it. We did spool it up on the original metal spools that came with the machine. Yeah, not a whole lot more to say about this. It really is just pretty much what you see is what you get. It is a beautiful typewriter. Let me show you how this looks. So you can see here, if I can get it to focus, there it is. Yeah. So get a look at the pictures. Along with the typewriter, the case is just as pristine as this thing is. It is in excellent condition. It is a beautiful hard shell leather case, and obviously it must work pretty well because it's kept this thing protected for decades. So, all right, well that's what I got for you now, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.